Are you looking for the best Creality Ender 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the best Creality Ender 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Official Creality 3D Printer Ender 3S1 Pro. The official Creality 3D Printer Ender 3S1 Pro is a feature-packed 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals. One standout feature is the upgraded dual-gear direct drive extruder, equipped with two chrome steel gears operating at a 1 minute and 3.5 seconds gear ratio. This design ensures a pushing force of up to 80 N, allowing for smooth feeding and discharging of filaments without slipping. The extruder excels in printing flexible filaments like TPU and is compatible with a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, wood, TPU, PA, and more. The printer boasts a user-friendly interface with a 4.3-inch touchscreen that supports 9 languages, providing efficient UI interaction. The touchscreen also features an energy-saving function, automatically dimming after 3 minutes of inactivity. Additionally, the inclusion of LED lights allows users to monitor the printing status at any time. Number 2. Creality 3D Mini FDM 3D Printer Ender 2 Pro. The Creality 3D Mini FDM 3D Printer Ender 2 Pro is a compact and user-friendly 3D printer designed for easy assembly and portability. With a 4-step quick assembly process, it's a 90% pre-installed device, requiring only the tightening of 7 screws to get it up and running without any hassle, weighing just 4.65 kilograms and boasting a small printing size of 6.56.57 inches, 165,165,180 millimeters. The Ender 2 Pro is designed with students and children in mind, making it ideal for those who love science and invention. Its lightweight and portable design, comparable to a desktop fan, is further enhanced by an easy-to-carry handle, allowing users to take it wherever they want to go. Number 3. Official Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. The official Creality Ender 3 3D printer is a reliable and user-friendly device that stands out for its impressive features. One notable aspect is its resume printing function, which allows the printer to pick up where it left off in the event of a power outage or interruption. This feature ensures that your printing projects are not compromised and saves you from potential frustrations. Assembly is made hassle-free with the Ender 3, as it comes with several pre-assembled parts. With just around 2 hours of assembly time and 20 nuts to secure, the process is both easy and quick, making it accessible for users with varying levels of experience. The printer incorporates advanced extruder technology, minimizing the risk of plugging and ensuring consistent and high-quality extrusion. The extruder's V-shaped design, coupled with POM wheels, ensures smooth, noiseless, and durable movement during the printing process.